Okay, so right now I'm doing top speed testing, or not top speed, but top current. I want to see how much current this 52 volt 20 amp hour battery can deliver to the motor. And on the Speeed app, I got quads driving by right now, or it sounds like I'm gonna. I don't know where they're going. Anyways, on the Speeed app, it shows the watts, but it might be calculated at 48 volts, because on the settings here, it says nominal voltage 48 and max current is 28. And that is this bike setting. I'm reading them right now. So here's the settings. Level. Here's the general settings. 42 volt low battery protection, 28 amp current limit. There's the levels from 1 to 9. That's the stock setting. This is the stock settings under pedal assist. And here's the throttle, the stock settings for the throttle. So now I'm just going to go to this display. I'm going to get onto the trail. I don't know what these quads were doing, so I got the dog here. Roxy's here, so I don't want her to start chasing after them. Because if they're running away, they're going to get bit, and I don't want her to do that. So right now I'm going to get going here. Let's see if I can bring the camera back up. Camera. There we go. Okay, so let's go. Come on, Roxy. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. I'm just going to try some full throttle runs here. See how many amps I get on the clamp meter. I wish the display would just show up so I wouldn't have to attach a clamp meter to the bike. I'm going to lower these gears. Okay, so now I'm going to go up to power level 9 and just do a couple bursts, full power bursts. Dog trying to bite me right now, so it's hard to test the system. Up the gear. Battery's full of charge. With that, I just wanted to do a quick video to see what the amps were. But I'm not sure if they're calculating it at the correct voltage, so whatever amps you see on the screen, you can times it by 58 roughly, because I was right at 58.4 right before I left there with the voltmeter. So I guess usually when I punch the throttle, it drops 2 volts, so you could even times it by 56 times whatever amps you see on the screen. I can't see the other screen right now, it's in my pocket. So yeah, I just wanted to do a quick video to see what this battery can deliver for current. Anyways, thanks for watching.